Hi, James. Where are you now? Hi, James. Where are you now?
Hi, Lily. I am at the bus station. Hi, Lily. I am at the bus station.
James, what are you doing at the bus station? James, what are you doing at the bus station?
I am waiting for my bus. Lily, I am waiting for my bus.
James, is it raining there? What's the weather like?
Yes, it is raining here. The sky is cloudy.
James, is it very cold there? Are you cold?
Yes, the air feels cool, and the road is still wet. And
Be careful, James. The road is wet, so walk carefully.
yes, Lily, I'll be careful. I'm sitting on a bench right now.
James, is it busy at the bus station?
Yes, it's quite busy. Many people are waiting for their buses. Some people are sitting. Some people are standing. Some people are walking by. Everyone looks busy.
James, are you sitting at the bus station?
Yes, I am sitting on a bench at the bus station.
Did you bring your umbrella, James? Did you bring your umbrella?
No, Lily. I forgot to bring my umbrella.
Has the bus arrived yet? How long have you been waiting?
Not yet. I have been waiting for about 15 minutes.
James, do you think the bus will be much longer?
Don't worry, Lily. It should be here soon.
Where are you going today? James, where are you going today?
I'm gonna meet my school friends. Lily, I'm gonna meet my school friends.
Which city do they live in? James, which city do they live in?
My friends live in another city. I haven't seen them in a year.
That's great! I'm sure they will be happy to see you.
Yes. They always welcome me with a big smile.
Did you pack everything? James? Did you pack everything?
I think so. I packed my clothes. I packed my phone charger.
I packed a book. I also packed a small gift for my friends.
Lily, I can see the bus now. I can see the bus now.
Really? James, please be careful.
I got a window seat, Lily. I really like sitting by the window.
Me too, James. I enjoy sitting by the window too.
The view is always beautiful. Everything looks fresh and clean.
That sounds lovely. James, I really miss them. Your trip is finally beginning. James, Your trip is finally beginning.
Yes, Lily. I'm happy. I was worried earlier. Now I feel relaxed.
I'm happy for you. James, I really miss you. Do you have anything to do during the trip? James?
Yeah, Lily. I brought an English book. I also downloaded some English lessons. Maybe I'll listen to them.
That's a great idea, James. Practice every day. Even a little practice helps. I'm sure your English will get better.
Yes, Lily. I really want to improve my English.
You're doing a great job. James, you're doing a great job. Is the bus moving now? James? Is the bus moving now?
Yes, Lily. The bus is moving now. We're driving along the river.
What can you see now, James? What can you see now?
I can see many birds. They're flying over the river.
That sounds beautiful, James. I love watching birds. Enjoy the lovely view. Take a picture if you can.
Now the bus is crossing a bridge. The birds are flying beside us.
It sounds like a lovely trip. I wish I could see it too.
Lily, I can see the mountains. They look like a scene from a movie.
You're so lucky. I wish I could enjoy that view with you.
Lily, the bus is passing a beautiful flower garden. I can see lots of colorful flowers.
Wow! I love colorful flowers. Don't forget to drink some water. James, don't forget to drink some water.
I won't forget, Lily. I have a bottle of water in my bag. I also have some fruit. I'll have a snack when the bus stops.
Enjoy every moment. James, trips are full of wonderful memories.
You're right. Lily, thank you for talking with me.
I'm always happy to talk with you. What can you see now, James? What can you see now?
I can see lots of green trees. Some birds are flying over the trees.
The view is peaceful. Lily, I'll take some photos for you.
Thank you, James. I can't wait to see your photos.
I'll send you the photos after I get off the bus. Lily, I got off the bus.
James, be careful. Walk carefully and watch the road.
Lily, I'm walking by a beautiful garden right now. It's full of colorful flowers. There are so many colorful birds flying in the garden. It feels like a dream.
Really? It sounds like a magical place. Take some pictures for me.
Lily, I'm walking along a beautiful river right now. The sound of the rain is so relaxing.
That sounds so peaceful, James. Enjoy the beautiful view and have a wonderful walk.
Lily, I think I'm at my friend's house now. I'll talk to you later. Bye, Lily.
Okay, James. Have a great time with your friend. Take care and talk to you later. Bye.